Hey guys, welcome back to Burns' Math Club. Today we'll be learning how to solve a system of equations by using the substitution method. In our previous video, we learned how to use the graphing method to solve a system of equations. So the substitution method is basically finding the value of one of the variables and then substituting it into the other equation. Here we have been given the value of y as 3x. That means that the value of y is equal to 3 times the value of x. So since we know that y is equal to 3x, we can substitute this into the y in our first equation. So we will write x plus 3x, which is the value of y, is equal to 8. Since x and x are like terms, we have 1x plus 3x, which is 4x, is equal to 8. So since 4 is being multiplied by x, we can divide by 4 to get the x by itself. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, so we can just write x is equal to 8 divided by 4, which is 2. So we get the value of x as 2. Now if we go back into this equation, we know that y is equal to 3 times the value of x. Now we can plug in the value of x in either one of the equations, but I think it would be simpler if we just plug it into this equation, because all we have to do is multiply 3 by the value of x, which is 2. That means 3 times 2 is 6, so the value of y is equal to 6. So the final solution for this system of equations is going to be in the format of x and y, so it's going to be 2, 6. So this is how you solve a system of equations using substitution. Now let's do another example, which is x plus y is equal to 60 and 5x plus 3y is equal to 220. So we need to first find the value of one of the variables. So let's say that we find the value of y in our first equation. So we have x plus y is equal to 60. So x plus y is equal to 60. So let's eliminate x so that we can get y by itself. So we get y is equal to 60 minus x. Now we can substitute the value of y into this equation and solve. So we have 5x plus 3, and in the value of y, which is 60 minus x, is equal to 220. We get 5x plus, and then we have to use the distributive property. So first we need to distribute 3 to 60. Positive 3 times positive 60 give us 180. And then we have to distribute positive 3 to negative x, which gives us negative 3x, is equal to 220. Since 5x and negative 3x are like terms, since they both have a variable of x, we can combine them. So 5x minus 3x gives us 2x, plus 180 is equal to 220. So now we have to subtract 180 from both sides. So we get 2x is equal to 220 minus 180, which equals 40. Now let's divide by 2 on both sides to isolate the variable. So we get x is equal to 40 divided by 2, which is 20. The value of x is equal to 20. Now let's substitute the value of x into this equation to solve for the value of y. So y equals 60 minus the value of x, which is 20. So y equals 40. So the final solution for this system of equations is going to be x, y format. So it's going to be 20, 40. So the point on the graph, which is 20, 40, is where the equations of these two lines intersect. So this is how you solve a system of equations using the substitution method. Thank you for watching this video, and we will see you guys in our next video. Bye!